This is Lily. She is 6 years old. She has her father's eyes and her mother's smile. She doesn't know that yet. She is sitting in her bed with a stuffed rabbit in her arms. Her nightlight is on. The room is warm. Her father, Sam, is tucking her in, like every night.
Daddy! Where is my mommy? Everyone at school has a mommy. Emma has a mommy. Jack has a mommy. Priya has 2 mommies.
Lily,
Do I have a mommy?
yes, you have a mommy.
Where is she?
It's late, sweetheart. Let's talk tomorrow.
You always say tomorrow. Is she gone like Grandpa is gone?
Go to sleep, Lily. I love you.
The next morning, Sam walks Lily to school. She is quiet. That is not like her. At the school gate, her friend Emma runs up.
Lily, did you bring your show and tell thing?
I forgot.
What were you going to bring?
I was going to bring a photo of my family, but I only have me and Daddy.
Where's your mom?
I don't know. Daddy, I want to know today. Please.
Okay, today, I promise.
Really?
Really.
Sam has one person he talks to when things get hard. His sister, Nora.
She asked again. She's not going to stop asking.
Sam. She's 6. She's old enough to know something.
How do I explain it? How do I tell a 6-year-old that her mother loved her but couldn't stay?
You tell her the true part. The part that won't hurt her.
What if there's no part that doesn't hurt?
Then you sit next to her when it hurts. That's all you can do.
She drew a picture of our family. There's just 2 people in it.
Sam. That little girl has never once doubted that she is loved. You did that. You gave her that. Now give her one more thing. The truth.
When Lily comes home, Sam is sitting on the sofa, waiting. The envelope is on the coffee table. Lily drops her backpack. She sees his face. She sits down next to him without being asked.
Is this the talk?
Yes, this is the talk.
Okay.
This is your mommy. Her name was Maya.
She's pretty.
She was very pretty, and very smart, and very funny. She used to laugh so loud that the neighbors could hear her.
Like me?
Exactly like you.
Was?
Your mommy got very sick, Lily, when you were very, very little. Before you could remember.
How sick?
The kind of sick that doctors couldn't fix. She tried very hard. She fought for a long time.
Did she die?
Yes, sweetheart. She did.
Was I there?
You were there. She held you. She talked to you every single day.
What did she say?
She wrote this for you. She wanted me to read it to you when you were old enough.
She wrote me a letter?
She wrote you a letter.
Sam unfolds the paper slowly. His hands are not quite steady. He begins to read.
My darling Lily, I don't know how old you are when you hear this, but I know you are beautiful. I know you are kind. I know you have your father's eyes, and I hope you have my laugh. I need you to know one thing, my love. Leaving you was the hardest thing in the world. But staying in your heart, That I can do forever. Let your daddy love you. He loves you enough for both of us. And so do I. Always. Mommy.
She sounds nice.
She was the nicest person I ever knew.
Do you miss her?
Every day.
Me too, even though I don't remember her.
That's okay. You can miss someone even if you only know them through a photograph and a letter.
Daddy,
Yes?
can I keep the photo in my room?
I brought it home just for you.
And the letter?
That's yours. She wrote it for you.
Daddy, I don't think she's really gone.
What do you mean?
I think she's just somewhere else. Watching.
I think so too.
That night, after dinner, Lily sits at the kitchen table with her crayons. Sam washes the dishes. He watches her from the corner of his eye. She is drawing. Her tongue sticks out when she concentrates. After a while, she holds it up.
Look, Daddy,
Who's that up there?
that's Mommy. She's watching
That's the best drawing you've ever made.
because now our family is complete.
Some questions are frightening to answer. But sometimes the answer is exactly what both people needed. Sam had been protecting Lily from the truth. But the truth, given gently, with love, didn't break her. It made her feel whole.